Good morning, everyone. Starting the live early this morning. Good morning, good morning. Any questions you have, just drop in the chat here. I was at my desk, so I'm like, well, might as well start the live. Hang out with you all. How's everyone's morning going so far? What's up, Tony? Good morning. Good morning, SR. Basil, how are you? That's awesome, Wes. Tell him happy birthday for me. Good morning, D. Just looking at charts, trying to decide my main watches for the day, but good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Excuse me. Hit some legs this morning. What'd you all hit at the gym? Hit some legs and a steam room. My sauna came in yesterday, so I'm gonna put it together today. The one for my home. I guess I'll just put it in the garage until my home gym gets finished. Nice, Jonathan. Today would have been my active rest day, but I'm off my schedule. Nice. Can everyone hear me? Just give me a yes if you can hear me. I want to make sure. It's infrared sauna, Nick. Infrared. I didn't realize how massive it was, so see how it goes putting it together today. I think I should have went with a single person. Do I trade orb? I do sometimes, but it just hasn't been something that's working for us recently. It's been hit or miss. um, Good morning. You going on a cruise, Jonathan? Where are you headed? I needed to go on a cruise. I've never been on one. The older I get, the less I like leaving. Like leaving, traveling. I don't know. I guess I'm turning into a hermit even more. Even more so. But I do have to travel, probably this coming week. Nice. Caribbean. Yeah, I started live real early this morning, so, you know, it'll be a while before the crowd gets here, so it's the perfect time to just ask questions, talk, hang out, whatever. I'm gonna talk to Team Bull for a minute, okay? See what they're into. Good morning, welcome in. I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm just talking. I don't see a setup here pre-market. Good morning, Team Bull, for those just joining the Zoom. How's everyone?
I'm about to get out of here, Grizzly Block.
About to head out?
Well, Gene will be on though, so
Alright.
say hi to him. He'll be on my computer like in 2 minutes.
Alright, good luck with the class today.
Yep. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna channel my inner Broncos. We're going for the dub, baby.
Good morning, everyone. The big question of the big question is the snow gonna hit East Tennessee? Keep changing it. Good morning, Tiffany. Good morning, Jeff.
6-7, you didn't go what? Thanks, bro.
My screen share is up, Team Bull.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach them all about DOD.
What are you expecting there, Tiffany? How much? I'm hoping I get some snow in Tennessee, but I don't want, you know, what I'm seeing like New Jersey's supposed to get and stuff. Just give just enough to enjoy it, you know, not stick around too long. Good morning, welcome in. I would like to get my side-by-side out in it though. That's what I'm looking forward to. Good morning. Jeez. Hope everyone has a generator if you get that much, right? Knock the electric off. A quick charting of key levels. Our key levels are marked already. I'm not sure what you would like me to do. It's very hard for me to chart levels on the charts that I stream from on my phone, the one you all see, because they're so compacted. Oh yeah, I have a generator. I don't think we'll see that much snow though, to be honest. I kind of doubt it. Yeah, for real, Eric. The ice is the worst part for all the hills we have to drive up and down. I'm not looking for anything right now. We're just talking. I got on early to answer questions, try to provide some free value other than just us having a crazy trading year so far. This could be the best start we've ever had to a trading year. We've had one red day in 2026. And that was the only day we've had a losing trade, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Yeah, most of the time I watch the 5-minute Ziggy. Good morning, Diego. What is my strategy? I'm gonna use a couple different strategies. Yesterday we went with a trend entry. I like trading supply and demand. I would say that's our go-to. When the opportunity presents itself, we don't get it as often as we do basing our entry off the 15-minute range, or trend rather. Do I trade QQQ? You can trade QQQ if you like when I trade NQ. If you want to trade options, Dylan. I trade futures. I day trade futures. Swing trade, long-term option. But mostly just as far as day trading goes, I stick to NQ, MNQ. Good morning, Caden. That's 5-minute chart. I'm gonna do my best to keep the wins coming this morning. I'd like to end this week perfect as well, so I'm gonna try. But that being said, make sure you don't oversize. Let's stay consistent. Could be the day we have a losing trade. If so, we don't want to have a massive position size, and we're gonna manage our risk. Martin, how was your workout? It's good. How was yours, Martin? Or have you hit one yet? See what I do for legs today. I did a heavy leg press for 4 sets. I mixed it up. I had some goblet squats after that. Then some curls, leg extensions, some calves. And so hit a little sled today as well. Goblet squats, yeah. I hit goblet squats. My shoulder trap's still healing. I can't really put a barbell back there yet. Have to put together my sauna today. It should be interesting. Any more questions? We got time. Nothing but time this morning. We got 12 minutes still. Hey, Lee, want me to check out ARM? Ticker ARM. I'll look in front of me here. This big chart. It's hard for me to see on this. What was you looking at on it? Oh, nice move up. And it got an upgrade. So price target of 150, what it says. Maybe like a 117 area bounce, 116, 117. Well, I'd say 116 area. Looks decent for a bounce. As far as the day trade goes on ARM. Yeah, I think Jaden's not going to be on Zoom today or whatever. Gene is going to fill in for him. He's got to teach a class or something. Something like that. All right, Team Bull, we got 10 more minutes.
Morning, Christy.
Good morning, Greg. How you doing this morning?
Very good, bro.
Nice.
Up pretty early.
What's up, Gene?
What's up,
Good
Gene?
morning.
Taking over the streams again.
Taking whatever trade you throw out today, Gene, so no pressure.
Alright.
No pressure, T. Just 15,000 a day. No worries.
Yeah.
For sure.
It's going to be a good day, everyone. It was a tough morning for me, but it's going to be a good day. By tough morning, I mean it was leg day. That's what I'm saying. I need to have a set time I go live. I usually just try to make it before market open, but I went live at like 9 a.m.-ish this morning. I've been live for like 20 minutes. Everyone can share the live. Let's start getting people in here now. I showed up early, answered some questions for you all before the crowd got here. I don't really have anything on watch off the open, Jay. I'm just going to wait till the first 15-minute range is in and go from there. Unless we just see something like a nice confirmation for trend on this pre-market high. Basically what we was looking for yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that. The pre-market high trend entry. What's up, Mr. Babar? What's going on? You got my attention. Where are you going short at?
Okay guys, if you see my screen, for me maybe the plan is going up to this orange dots and then go back inside the that box.
Appreciate that, Chris.
I'm talking about.
Appreciate you showing up, man.
And the 4 hour time frame.
I hope it just rips down for you.
Okay, maybe work. Let's just make it easy. This is the 4 hour time that I'm looking at. 4 hour box. This one here. So I think maybe it's gonna go up to the orange line on the other screen and then go back inside the box, the yellow box.
Good morning, Christian.
Okay.
Oh, stretch a little before this session.
The box here is a daily box, so if we take the shorts below this top, which is 715, 715, we need to be careful with this level here, which is 653. If you continue breaking this level, we need to be careful with the middle of the box.
All right.
607.
It's not working.
607 is the middle of the forever box. 339 here is the middle of the 8 box. So these are the boxes I'm watching out. That'll be like in each other.
Make sure you hit the follows. I go live every morning.
Okay.
Appreciate the follow, Julie.
See the flower here, the daily here, the daily box.
I hope Greg just has a massive trade today.
We are inside now the box. But I think
Like I can't really trade with him. He just
we're
doesn't match my style at all, but he does well.
I think
No hate.
opening and then continue popping up to touch the other stuff here, which is the weekly
Good morning,
box.
everyone. Welcome in.
We get
How you doing this morning, Danny?
that's perfect scenario for me.
What's up, Scooter? V-Man. All right. What's up? You have to rest up today, then, Danny. Get you some rest, man. Yeah, that's probably more important than data these days, MJ. We do have some 10 a.m. data. What is it? What, PCE, I believe? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have PCE. Dan says, thank you for the account. You're welcome. I may give away some more take profit today. At the end of the live, not right now. Harold is the only one they've had to talk about, I believe. Why? I don't know why it blocked your message, ZT. Let me fix that for you. All right, everyone, we got 2 minutes. Let's calm ourselves down and get ready. No stress is how we try to trade in here. Let's do this right. Good morning, G-Man. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. I would say your name, but I'm pretty sure I would butcher it up, so. It has its moments, G-Man, here in Tennessee. It's not cold today, not too cold today, but yesterday morning it was in the low teens, maybe a little lower than that some places. A little colder than that. All right, everyone. Good luck, Team Bull. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Good morning. Good morning, Esmeralda. Good morning, Joey. Let's do this. Market's no opening.
Standing by. Silver is pumping. Thank you. They decide to go to the inside the box now. Straight away.
There you go, Mr. Babar. You making money?
Yeah, I see what at this level that 653. The top of the daily one. If you want to scalp it, oh man, look at silver. Jesus.
Everyone watches so many charts. I'm literally only have NQ 5 minute up. Oh. Let's see here. What are we thinking? What's the best possible setup for us today? Yes, share the live, everyone. Let's share it. Let's get everyone in here in case we catch a trade early today.
It's too early. 2 minutes. Let's see.
I don't see a bounce I like right now, everyone. Just being patient. Anyone felt a little anxious this morning before trading? If so, just get up, take like a walk around, hit some push-ups, something, get your mind focused in. It's a very simple fix to a lot of problems I see people have with trading. Sometimes it's just a simple. TikTok, can you talk in the chat? See if it's working. It's not updating for me. Awesome. Momentum, that sucks. I hate that for you, man. No Jay Dunn today. He gotta teach a class. Good morning, Matt. Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm here, Team Bull. Just no setup yet. There's no trade to be made here. You have to let this market settle or you will get smoked. The way it's been flipping these candles off the open.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting through.
Did it?
Look at the rejection silver. Please call there. Full back 040 94040. Okay.
Oh.
Waiting for him to realize.
Need to wake up.
Two copies call on silver on that line 94040. Just building the pressure for the day.
No, I'm not using it this morning. I should use it though, but I've almost
And silver.
finished this tee off before I needed it. So I'm definitely gonna use it this weekend though. If it snows. Team Bull chat, hilarious. I don't think Greg's in a trade. I can't hear him well. I've turned up my volume. I think his and Gene's volume's down or something. I don't know. His and Gene's volume is down.
I don't know. If you compare with Apex, only use it.
If you have
No idea.
Sorry about that. TikTok, my chat just now started working again. It was not updating. Be patient, everyone. Let's let this market settle here.
We're watching to see if we take. I'm not so sure on NQ because we just bounced the top of this daily 643.
If you haven't already hit the follow, go live every morning.
And that silver's pumping.
All right. You might see high day. Not for sure. We got 5 more minutes to the 15-minute range is in. I'm definitely going to wait on that. For sure. For sure. Point of controls in for now. Could change, but I hope it does give us a nice short entry. Get a nice strong close below this pre-market low. I missed something? Yeah, this is NQ. It'll be different. One thing I do stand by is watching the NQ chart. It has more data than MNQ, and it tends to work better. You can still trade MNQ, but I prefer watching NQ charts. We have what at PCE at 10. Minute range is about in Team Bull. Then we can look for a trade. Wow,
Oh man,
it's good though. How,
that's right.
how much time is left on this? Give us some more volume here. Nice, Mr. Babar. You seem to be an excellent trader.
Pequeno que show, guys. Pequeno que shows.
Greg said he tried some shorts, but there's not confirmation for me yet, so I'm not taking it.
Let's see.
What was your entry, Greg, and stop?
645 my entry. Stop is 67.
67. 645 is entry, stop was 67 on the shorts. For those that like taking trades with Greg.
No estaba socio.
Come on, rip down for him. How's the coffee this morning? I'm drinking tea this morning. Taking a little break from the coffee for the most part. Trying to keep the flu away.
Doing some here, guys.
Greg took a trim on his short entry.
Vamos a close a break here now.
No, I'm not in a trade yet. I'll let you all know if I take one. We haven't confirmed.
Give me one more there.
Good morning, Nick.
Close and perfect now. So now everybody knows why I took the trade, right? You see on the left side.
Yeah, but I just wasn't crazy about the. We didn't have no confirmation from me short there. It close on this previous 5-minute candle. It's not what you want to see when you're looking for a short entry. Maybe we'll get some decent volume on this. We got time on the candle. Let's see. get some volume. And then I say, if we get some volume, we look for retracement to that, what's it at? 600, 612 area. There's just quite a bit of risk though on this candle. Oh yeah. This is what we want to see for our short confirmation, but we need a retracement of this. There's just way too much risk on this candle. I'm gonna look for a short entry. Team Boy, I'm looking for a short entry up around 600, 602. If we get up there. My stop would be a 5-minute close back inside that 15-minute range. If we get our entry. Nice trade, Greg. Glad you made some money.
Thank you. Good day, guys. Good day. Huge trade already. 8 points so far. Nice work too. 1.6K. Beautiful.
If we take these shorts, we have to position for more of a drawdown, everyone. So go lighter because the confirmation candle is like 657 where it would actually break above that, around that pre-market low area.
I already explained why I took the trade. In 1 sec. Still on this trade, watching. I took the trade because we're getting the top of the day.
Alright, everyone. I'm trying a light size of shorts here on MNQ. Remember, there's more risk on this trade, so you don't need to go heavy here, okay? When I say risk, there's more point risk than usual. So I got filled at 604. That's what I'm in at. On short MNQ shorts.
Okay, guys, for next 2 point profit, trade is done for me.
I'm keeping my hard stop above that previous 5-minute candle, everyone, but if we close back inside this range, I may consider getting out early. I'd like to get low a day, and then after that, I'd like to see that Asia low area. That would be ideal, but I would say 525 is my final price target. Anything after that's just icing on the cake, you know? What entry am I looking at? I'm already in the shorts. Stop above the previous 5-minute candle. 604. We're going light size because there's more risk. $604. 604 was my entry. We have data in 5 minutes. Make sure you have a hard stop set. Still in. If you're stressed, you're oversized, everyone. Should not be no stress in this trade for you. It's that simple. If you all want to get out of the trade before data, you can. I'm gonna see if we get low day here though, personally.
Nice trade, man.
Thanks. I'm gonna cut my position in half here for data, just taking risk off. Not really at my trim spot, but I don't want to get caught in data and push back up to our entry. All right, I did that. I'm gonna go ahead and just move my stop to my entry now, just in case. I don't like being in trades during data, especially as weird as it's been lately. I'd say it's the right move, wouldn't you all? Take some risk off and profits. Let's get low a day here for our next trim though. Right there. We want low a day, everyone. We've just been crushing it this year. It's crazy.
Nice trade, guys.
Thanks. Let's see if we get low a day. 604 is where my stop is. 604. There we go. Come on, keep going. I took some off down there. I thought we was gonna get low a day, so I trimmed real fast there, but still, wait for low day if you want. All right. We can move our stops into profits now for this data, everyone. That's how we do it. We waited on confirmation. We knew our risk. We adjusted our position size accordingly, and it paid us. Should have been no stress, everyone. You're gonna die early if you stay stressed every day trading. Let's focus and do it right.
Well, guys, that's enough for today. No, another trade that was a really good trade for me.
Oh yeah, nice trade, Greg. Have a good day, man.
Thank you, Grizzly. Nice trade too, man.
There we go. Come on, go down. There we go. That's what we wanted, everyone. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, trade is over for me. Completely over. All out. Trade's done. That's awesome, Caden. Nice. First funded trade was a win because of that one. You still around, Greg? I thought you were leaving.
I'm still around, but I'm leaving now. Disconnecting. About to leave now.
Peace, Greg. Have a good day.
Take care, Jim. Take care, Team Bull family. If you're gonna continue trading, do it smart, please. Do it smart. If you make money, there's no reason to keep trading, to be honest.
And make sure you post your gains inside Team Bull. Everyone tag us. We love to see it and keeps us motivated. Gene, have you taken a trade this morning?
No, I have not yet. I was waiting for the news at 8. I found I typically do better once I wait until after 8. I did like those shorts that you took, but I wanted a little bit higher of a pullback into like the 50s.
Yeah. I see what you're saying there for less risk, but when it happens like that, I just adjust my position size.
Yep, for sure.
Let's see, how much money did I make today? Remember, I was very light and I was trading M and Q, but on my personal, I made right at 700. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Some sushi money locked in. I had some good steak yesterday. I was going to tell you all about it, but I started off with the Wagyu, right? They brought it out on the hot, you cook it on the hot stone. What is it? And then the strip. I like it New York strip, so. Medium rare is how I like my steak. That's the way to do it, Josh. Yeah, I agree. Um, what comments? Yeah, I can see your comments. I may have missed a couple. I went with I went with 10. But remember, if you're trading fund, it's 3 to 5 MNQ. My position size doesn't matter. If you're trading funded accounts, 3 to 5 MNQ. My personal position size is not important to the outcome of your trading. Oh shoot. Final price target was 525 on this trade, everyone. But like I said, I'm out. No, the trade's over for me, Brandon. So just one of them times, we went lighter size. I just didn't have any more runners to leave in the game. That's that happens when you position lighter, but it allowed for us to manage our risk properly. I feel bad for giving you all a 30-minute workday. Now what are we gonna do? I guess talk. Look for one more trade. Explain my trade. I can do that. How about this? I'll make a YouTube recap video for you all today. How's that? I'll drop it. See, I'll walk you through the exact reasoning behind that. Another one. How's that? I just need everyone to make sure they're watching them. If I'm gonna start making the recaps again, at least watch the 2 to 3 minute long videos I make. I'm waiting on Gene to rip some uh, NQ longs or shorts. I'm just waiting on it.
Yeah, I'm looking at these longs, but I really haven't got the information. I'm waiting for this 5 minute to close as well as eventually the 15 as well. I ideally would like that like 500
500.
to 520 area.
Yeah, that's where I have a hourly demand at.
Yep.
I like it.
We hit the top of my demand, and we're kind of bouncing a little bit out of it, but I'm gonna see this close. So on the 1 minute, we're like pushing up, then we saw right back off. So I'm watching that.
Nice. I'm still looking for a trade, Joe. See if I can catch us another trade today. Seems like people made some good money this morning trading. If we can get through January and just have that one red day, I'll be happy. That's awesome, Tommy. Make sure you follow everyone. I go live every morning on here, okay? So just go ahead and hit the follow. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm in no rush, so. I need to schedule a cleaning dentist. Let's see. Hit the follow, everyone. Not really, Chucky. I see what you're saying, but I don't. It doesn't bother me, honestly. I use Tradeovate to trade on for my personal account. We are profitable for the year, everyone. If you've been trading on here with us, this group effort type of lives that we have, you should be green. You should be up nice on the year. No reason you shouldn't be. Every live that we have is posted right on YouTube. Go back and watch. We've had one red day. One day this year that we've had a losing trade. The rest were winning trades. Just want to show you all it can be done, you know. So if I ever retire, you all won't even need me. You just do it yourselves. You will not need me anymore. Not in a trade now. No, I'm watching for another trade. Appreciate it. I don't plan on going anywhere for a minute, so. Steve, I don't, that's a good question. I feel like once I realized that it didn't work to take, 5, 10 trades a day, the more you got to think like this. How many times are you actually going to be right in the market each day? And how many times is your actual setup's going to confirm, right?
Pretty nice.
You're going to sit there too long. You're going to be trying to convince yourself there's a trade to be taken.
50%. See how this kind of closes.
Thomas, you're crazy, man. I appreciate it. 30K likes on TikTok. if you're trading with me, every day showing up to these lives, I don't want you to look at it like I'm still not profitable. Let's if you wasn't profitable at the start of this year, okay, whatever, but it's a new year. Just forget that. Let's focus on being profitable now. Don't worry about the money you've lost. Let's just create an income with this, right?
Still really true.
High income's what we're going for. Not get rich quick. Just we want to make money consistently for long term. Yeah, Mr. Babar, we caught a nice trade. We made some decent money. I made like 700. Thanks, man.
Still just waiting, guys.
Appreciate that, D. A lot of you all. I know I just called Thomas out, but I appreciate all the likes and follows.
I really love you so much anyway. So scary.
Someone asked how Jaden was doing teaching the high school class. I said, he's getting, they're throwing his lunches at him right now. I picture, what's that movie with Adam Sandler? Billy Madison? You all ever watch that? Yeah. Appreciate that, Win. That's hilarious, though. I love Adam Sandler, by the way, if you all didn't know. So, one of my favorite actors.
Keep just bouncing off this zone here.
I think it's great, though, he's teaching high school. They need more stuff like that inside high school. They didn't teach, well, I had an economics class. The guy in there who tried his best, but other than that, it's just, they didn't teach us anything about money, being financially literate. And they never taught us healthy eating habits either when I was in school, at least the area I went to. Literally, I had to learn all that once I was, older teenager on my own. If you have any questions, I'm still looking for another trade, everyone. Tiffany, the only way I would take longs is if we had a strong confirmation in this zone here.
Buyers are trying.
You know, I wouldn't hate a point of control reject. That pre-market low area, point of control. Well, I was considering shorts again, but it'd have to be quite a ways up. I'll let you know if I take anything, though. I'm not convinced I'll take another trade, though, yet. I'm not sure, Wes. If you all want to try out the indicator on the screen, you just go to grizzlytrades.com. Make sure you use code NQ, though, so you get half off the first month. It's literally like the price of a meal. If you don't like it, just make sure you cancel. And make sure you read the user guide. It comes with a community chat and user guide inside the WHOP app, WHOP.com. No, not in the trade, Mike. You know, I recommend, if you get the indicator, I recommend setting it up on PC. You can use it on your phones, yes, but it's easier to access. You run into less trouble.
As long as you're going. Just did not have confirmation on that.
Who you got, Danny?
Nope, no trades. If we win, that changes.
Starting to like shorts again here. I may have hesitated and missed out, though. We'll see.
Oh yeah.
Well, I hesitated and missed out, everyone. My bad.
My only thing about shorts is we touched my demand zone, so I don't know. I typically don't like to short when we're this close to demand.
That was it. I just missed out. Well, I almost got us a second winning trade today. Maybe tomorrow we'll catch 2 winners. But before we go, I got some take profit accounts, a couple to give away. Anybody down? Anybody want a take profit eval? ZT Trades. DM me your email link to take profit. It has to be linked to take profit trader. DM it to me on Instagram. Okay, my Instagram link can be found at grizzlytrades.com. So that was from TikTok. Now let's do YouTube. Kimber. I'm going to say Kimber, and you have 9037 at the end of your name. If you want an account, DM me on Instagram. I would give away another one, but I cannot remember if I have any more to give away on there. So we're going to stick with 2 today. I'll have some, it'll be another prop firm, but I'll have some more code for you probably tomorrow. I sent a message, so we'll see. Appreciate you all. Any more questions before we go? I don't see something else I'm crazy about here. We already made the move down on one in for the shorts. I'm not really interested in trying it. I have my sled ready? I need to buy one. D, if I can, I'll look. Ask me tomorrow, D. I have to see if I have any more. I didn't see you as wanting one, or I'd hook you up. That's it, Hobbs. That's the way. Last chance to follow, everyone. I go live every single morning, and we're on a crazy win streak together. So hit the follow.